3 Trinidadians who are believed to be contacts of a COVID-19 positive case were barred from disembarking the T&T Spirit at the Scarborough Port on Friday evening by Tobago police officers. Senior Superintendent Anand Ramesar told TTT News because of efficient contact tracing being carried out by health officials, the exercise was effectively completed.
A person who was a primary contact of a positive case in Trinidad was traced to have been on a vessel coming to Tobago, and as a result of that tracing, that person and the persons who were secondary contacts to that person was subsequently isolated, and they were taken back to Trinidad, where I understand that quarantine orders were subsequently issued.
Superintendent Ramesar stressed that if there is in fact a breach of quarantine orders, charges are likely to be laid.
I am not aware that quarantine papers were issued to the person in relation to that to say that there was a breach of a quarantine order. If a person has been issued a quarantine order and there's a breach, now that an offense would have been committed, but I am not aware that that is the case.
According to the Quarantine Act, anyone who breaches the quarantine order is liable to a fine of $6,000 and imprisonment of 6 months. And in response, Secretary for Health, Wellness and Family Development, Tracy Davidson-Celestine, is reminding the public to do their part to ensure the country remains safe. She adds that with COVID-19 still present, persons should abide by protocols and not put others' lives at risk for a moment of pleasure.
I want to be clear that the 2 persons who were returned to Trinidad on the Galleon's Passage did not break quarantine. They were informed through contact tracing while on their journey to Tobago that they were at risk having attended a wedding.
Acting Chief Medical Officer of Health explained that the county medical officer or health from the country in the county in which the primary contact resides contacted health officials in Tobago.
During their contact tracing efforts, a person who was a known primary contact of 5 confirmed cases who attended a wedding where these cases were confirmed was contacted to be informed that they are a primary contact and had to be quarantined. They would have informed that CMOH that they were on the ferry on the way to Tobago.